Hi, my name is Zach Dunham. I'm the executive chef here at the Tom Quick Inn in Milford, Pennsylvania. Today we'll be presenting our signature meatloaf. This is my favorite thing on the menu. It underwent easily the most development of anything that we've worked on. So to start with, we start with prime ground beef. Then we go into a panade. Panade is milk, eggs, and sliced straight up white bread. As far as flavoring and aromatics go, we make a sofrito base out of onions, garlic, carrot. The last thing that makes this very special, and probably the thing that makes it so you can't make it at home, is our house-made chicken jus. This is just a very deep, rich, flavorful chicken stock that's reduced down really far, so it's very thick, rich, flavorful, very gelatinous, and nice. You want to make sure you pack it as well as you can. The one thing you can do to help avoid developing any cracks, weirdness, striations is bang out the air bubbles. Once the meatloaf is done, we let it rest just like you would a steak or anything else. Chill it down in an ice bath, and then we portion it for service. Because everybody wants that deeply browned, crusty, dad fights over it piece, we take our grill, get it as hot as humanly possible, surface the sun, we grill it, char it on both sides, get a nice, crusty, smoky flavor. So, once the meatloaf is nice, grilled, charred, we have a nice quadrillage. I like to think it looks like it's wearing fishnet stockings. Very sexy meatloaf. We do go with a glaze. It's a ketchup-based glaze, as it should be. I feel like if you're doing anything else, you're making a mistake. The garnish that comes with it is green beans, glazed with a little homemade chicken stock and butter. Once the green beans are nice and glazed up, we're gonna go down first with some irresponsibly buttery mashed potatoes. Thank you for joining us here at the Tom Quick and sharing our passion for meatloaf. For more information, visit us at our website, Tom Quick in Milford, PoconoMountains.com, or our social media. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the Pocono Tourism YouTube channel and click the bell button below to be the first to watch new videos. You can also click the link on the screen to watch more episodes of Pocono Mountains Magazine.